So we've had applications engineers on site that have been working with our guys, and it's been good for us, for me, to be able to allow the applications engineer in, and we've been getting a lot of feedback from our team as to what they're doing. Then they're not going to lie to me if the tools are no good, and I've had the complete opposite feedback. So subject to trials, we've had applications for certain jobs change, and we've started implementing their tooling, like I say.
And what tooling have you implemented?
So we've been very successful with the Garant range from Hoffmann. So we've been looking at the carbide end mills, aluminium end mills, and now we're looking at moving on to the inserts on our sliding heads.
And in comparison to the cutting tools that you used previously, what kind of results are you seeing?
So longevity-wise, it's very similar or slightly better. Price-wise, we're seeing significant reductions. So very, very happy so far.